Welcome to the second and final part of this studio makeover. Last time we cut up some drawers, we remodeled a cabinet, and we really started to get together the basic structure of the new studio. And now it's time to really finish this baby. When I say dark, I mean really dark. This is the only window that's there. It's really broad daylight now. And if I turn off the lights, this is what you see. Hier zie je toch ook wel het effect van het licht. Het is wel alsof je een soort dakraam hebt. Het is wel echt fijn licht. Hoe voel jij je? Voel je ook fijn?
Nee.
Kijk, ik vind nu deze carry. Maar dan zit ik denk ik op. Deze is misschien net iets te dom. Die vind ik ook wel mooi. Dit is roze. Die is iets donkerder. Over dit gaan. Hi, it's been a couple of weeks and it's not that I look like this because we've been working non-stop and doing all the chores for those weeks. Nah, just because it's the weekend and I'm about to paint. The paint is over here. It's been here for 2 weeks or something. I just didn't have the time to do it. And now is the day. And do I slightly regret putting up all the furniture in there before I'm gonna paint the walls? Maybe. This final part includes probably the quickest decision I'd have to make, because on the day that my curtains were ready to pick up, we also heard that the country was going to go back in lockdown that night. So we had exactly 15 minutes to pick up my curtain and to also find a rug while we were at it. This one was tipped to me by a friend, and I figured, what the heck, it's probably going to be perfect, and I took it home. It's done! My studio is done! I'm so happy about this. It took me a little while, but I finished it just in time before I'm going to spend a lot of time here in the studio. Lockdown was just announced again here in the Netherlands, but it's okay. I've got a nice little place to cocoon in, and we're all going to be fine. Thank you so much for watching this little YouTube adventure of mine. I hope you liked it. I did. And so did Noodle. He's fleeing the room. Anyway, if you like this video and you want to see more of it, let me know in the comments, or like, subscribe, or whatever it is you do on YouTube. And who knows, maybe I'll be back soon. Bye.